Hi everyone! I'm really excited because I've teamed up with LG to show you how to care for what you wear. Now, I know a lot of you, like me, have been having a clothes sort out this summer, so I'm going to show you how I am going to upcycle and revamp an old piece of clothing that I just don't wear anymore and make it into something new. Much better than buying a brand new piece because I've already got it in my wardrobe. There are so many beautiful pieces in my wardrobe, and whilst I was having my sort out, I stumbled across this. Now, it's a really gorgeous white shirt dress from Other Stories. I've had it for years. It's even got pockets. It's a real keeper. I throw it on over jeans, leggings, tights, boots, layer it up. It would be amazing with a sweater vest, but I just don't wear it. And the reason why is because it's really boring. Now, I did used to love white and always wear a white shirt dress in summer, but these days I'm longing for some colour, some brights, some pattern. So there's a couple of things I am thinking about doing to this dress. Rather than getting rid of it, I'm going to give it a new lease of life. But first, I need to give it a wash. Never have I been more excited to wash my clothes. Now, I always love taking care of my clothes. It's really important to me, and as somebody with a textile design background, I really understand fabric, how it works, and how to wash it. But what's more, this amazing washing machine really knows how to look after the clothes too, so I can trust it with absolutely anything. So first things first, I'm going to double check the label. Now, I hope you guys all do that because it's very, very important. So this is made from 100% cotton, and I'm actually planning on dyeing my dress a brand new colour because it's just too boring for me. So what I'm going to do is pop this in the washing machine, and it only takes 39 minutes. It's amazing. So it's called TurboWash 39. It saves energy, saves time, and it also looks after your clothes while it washes. What more do you need? So I'll be back in 39 minutes. So while the washing machine does its thing, I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform my white shirt dress using the humble avocado. I'm going to use the natural avocado dye that comes from avocado seeds to turn my white dress pink. Now, all you need to do is chop up your avocado, grab the stone, and I've given these a wash, and they've been here for a few days, so they're looking a bit dry. What you can do is keep them in the freezer just to keep them really fresh. You can also keep the skins, and again, if you put them in the freezer, they will be absolutely perfect to use. Oh, excuse the washing machine. So I've got about 10 stones in here that I've collected up, and I'd say you need about that many for really good colour. Add your avocado stones to a pan of simmering water, and you want to bring them to the boil until the colour starts to release. So it's been about half an hour, and you'll see the water has completely changed colour, and you've got this amazing pink starting to appear. Now you're ready to put your fabric in and give it a good dunk. And what you want to do is make sure it's still wet, straight out of the washing machine and into the pan. We're 1 hour in, and you can see the colour changing so amazingly and very gradually. It is a joy to watch. So I'm just letting it simmer away, and we'll keep checking in on it. As the hours go by, the dye gets darker and darker, which is really exciting to watch. Now, the little bits that come off the seeds can mean that you have a bit of a patchy dye. I really like that element and think it adds character, but if you prefer a cleaner, more even dye, just take those out before you pop your fabric in. And there you have it. It is pink. What an incredible transformation, and what a stunning colour. Because I cannot wait for it to dry, I'm going to pop it into the machine and give it a tumble dry. The moment of truth, the dryer is done. Oh my God. And it's pink. Wow, that colour is incredible. Ta-da! What a transformation! Just look at that. It's gone from boring white to beautiful pink and something that I'm going to absolutely wear and love. It's amazing what a difference just a simple change in colour can make. Well, now I've got grand plans and I'm going to do a bit of embroidery, maybe around the detail, around the top, maybe some florals for summer, so this is a perfect staple. Also just adding a bit of embroidery just makes it really unique, and again, I want to treasure this forever and keep it in my wardrobe, so if I've lovingly hand embroidered it, I really will remember all of the time I spent making it really special. I'm so pleased with this, really chuffed with my avocado dye. It's so simple and, you know, things that you have at home and again, completely natural. Now it's time for a bit of mindful embroidery. And just like that, an embroidered flower detail. I hope that's inspired you guys to upcycle something that you have at home that you're not that excited about. It's so easy, it's so quick, and it's a great way to care for your clothes.